this is Kat Garza. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. Today we are going to be doing something new and different. We are going to be making some coffee filter butterflies. They're going to look like this. They have different colors, and if you want to know how to make them, stay tuned. First, you're going to need 2 coffee filters, some pipe cleaners of any color, any type of washable paint or markers, and lastly, some painting brushes, small or big. Here, you're going to lay out the coffee filters just flat on any type of surface. Use both of them for this. You're going to start off by coloring one of them, any colors of your decision. I thought that I could make it 4 different colors. So on the first one, I decided to use a little bit of red and orange and mixed in a little bit of yellow in there just so it can add some different color to it. Then you just continue on the process of painting whichever 2 colors you want for the first one, and it will leave you with some kind of a wet paper, but that's okay. All you need is to just keep painting over it as much as you'd like, and if you're going to use markers, you color it with the markers and then you go over it with just a wet brush, plain wet. And then you can go on to your second one. And for my second one, I thought I would do a little different of colors, a little bit more darker. So I decided I was going to go with a purple and a blue color. And as you can see here, it does start off kind of wet, but that is okay. It'll dry over time and it will get a very nice color. Once you're almost done with coloring both, it should look a little wet like this, but that is okay. You can leave it out to dry for just a few minutes. After letting it dry, we come back and we are going to do the folding process. And in this, we're just going to fold it out just like a fan, flipping over one side, doing just a small fold, flipping it over to the other side, and doing another small fold back and forth until you reach the very end. And then when you're done with that, you're just going to do that same for the second side and let them dry for just a few more minutes after they are laid out. Doesn't have to be completely dry, but the more dry the better. As you can see here, it just looks like a folded fan. So we're just going to do the same for the second side. Once it's all folded and laid down for a little bit, it should look something like this with just some ridges in it. Okay, so now you should have something that looks like this. It's just flattened out and folded and kind of like an accordion. And you do that on both sides, just folding it back and forth. And from there, you take the first one, whichever one you want, top or bottom. And I'm gonna fold it and kind of crush it like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, just do it so it's a little bit of a bow tie. And then you do that to the other side and you open it up a little bit, put them together, and then you grab your pipe cleaner and you can wrap it around as such. You put it through the folds, you put it up, you wrap it around, and I'm gonna put little like circular ears on mine. So it's gonna wrap like this, wrap it around, and then once you open it, you have a pretty butterfly. See? And you can do that for whatever colors you want and however you like. So, thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you guys creating a new activity, and I hope to see you guys again soon where I will be doing another type of activity or a reading project to do with you guys.